back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how we make our Moroccan tea. So come on, let's get started. Now these are the things we need in making the tea. First we have the teapot. Yes, and of course the Chinese gunpowder tea. The mint, which I rinse in water with vinegar just to cleanse it properly, and of course the sugar. Now with the size of the teapot that I got, I just need half a tablespoon of the Chinese gunpowder tea. Okay. Now I just have to put a little bit of water, stir it, and I have to discard it because they say that it is adding to the bitterness of the tea. Now we just have to fill our teapot with boiling water. We just need to leave a little space so it's not going to overflow when it boiled. We're now gonna put our tea on fire. Remember that it's not gonna take long. So probably it's just gonna take 1 minute until you see the water bubbling. This is now your cue that you will put your mint on it. Afterwards, you just have to stir it. Stirring it will give your tea a very nice minty aroma. And then you have to stop the fire. Now that our tea is out of fire, we can now add our sugar. So I'm just gonna be putting 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is actually my preference. So remember to follow these simple procedures properly. Please don't be at haste. Don't put all the ingredients together all at once. It's really gonna screw it up. So, and remember, the sugar is always at the last. The sugar, you have to put it when you already remove it from fire. So this is it. This is now our tea. Basically the perfect consistency of my Moroccan tea. So as you can see, it is not so dark. That means it is not so strong. I just boiled it like less than a minute. So if you wanted it to become stronger, just boil it more than a minute perhaps, and you can get your perfect Moroccan tea. I only use 3 tablespoons of sugar. So usually Moroccan teas are really so sweet. So actually it depends on you, on your preference. So I hope you enjoyed my video and see you on the next video. Thank you.